That was Dr. Imtiaz Suleiman, the chairman and founder of the Gift of the Givers, talking about the rescue operations ongoing in Turkey and Syria following the devastating earthquake. Now, moving to the continent's west, where some legal experts have dismissed claims of compromise over its decision of Nigeria's Supreme Court to declare the Senate President and the former Minister of Niger Delta Affairs as the validly nominated senatorial candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress. Both candidates had participated in the ruling party's presidential primaries and lost out, but later sought to reclaim their senatorial tickets for the upcoming general elections. News Central's Amadine Uyi has more.
Both candidates had contested the ruling party's presidential primaries. Both candidates, currently serving senators, had lost to the leader of the party, Bola Tinubu. Both candidates now sought to reclaim their senatorial tickets from the party, which now led to a legal standoff as the case found its way to the courts. On January the 20th, 2023, Nigeria's apex court affirmed Godswill Akpabio as the validly nominated candidate for the APC's Akwa Ibom Northwest senatorial seat election coming up later this month. However, the case of Nigeria's president of the Senate dragged on. Many Nigerians had thought the case, which had gotten public attention, was already over, and Lawan would finally miss out from the Senate nomination ticket after spending 24 years as a member of parliament, but the Supreme Court thought otherwise. On February the 6th, Ahmad Lawan got the nod of the apex court as the validly elected candidate of Nigeria's ruling party.
What happened was democracy at work, and the courts gave their various judgments, and of course the Supreme Court gave the final judgment. I want at this point to commend the Supreme Court, and in fact the judiciary generally, for making this kind of judgment to strengthen our democracy.
The Supreme Court reiterated its earlier position, faulting the decision of the lower courts to assume jurisdiction in matters concerning political parties. The apex court maintained that though parties are obliged to obey their own constitution, matters of nomination of candidates lie squarely with them.
Matters that has to do with party themselves should be left for the party to solve by themselves. It's the party that appoints a candidate. It's that elects a candidate to represent them. So if a party now says, okay, this is our candidate, do you now say no? Or would the court now do otherwise? Except if that election is extremely very contrary to their constitution.
While many Nigerians continue to muse the accuracy of the judgment, some legal experts think it is in line.
There's nothing wrong about the judgment, because every party has its own procedure for electing their candidates. And if the procedure as contained in their constitution says this is how to do it, and the other, and you don't follow it, and you go to the court will say the right thing.
Amadine Uyi, reporting for News Central.